Hello guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon credit card account online on your PC. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Amazon credit card account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address amazon.syf.com like this and turn enter, and then you'll be redirected to the Amazon credit card portal, and let's wait for the page to load. And over here guys, you can see this is the login panel of Amazon credit card. Now in order to log into your Amazon credit card account, you'll be required to enter your user ID and your password over here. But if you have not yet registered an account for an Amazon credit card, you can always register or apply for an Amazon credit card from over here, which is the register or apply button available where I'm hovering right now. If you click on this either of these buttons, you'll be taken to a registration process of the Amazon credit card, and after the registration process is over, you'll also be able to get a credit card of your Amazon. But with that being said guys, let's enter our username over here, and after that enter your password, which we had registered on Amazon credit card at the time of creating our account. But if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can always reset or retrieve your user ID or password from these buttons, which is the user ID or password available over here. If you click on either of these buttons, you'll be taken to a procedure where you can retrieve or reset your user ID or password depending upon which one you lost. With that being said guys, after entering your user ID and password, simply click on the secure login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Amazon credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.